Hey guys, this is me Pile. In today's video, I am going to show you how to recover Twitter account without email and phone number. First of all, go ahead to Twitter account without an email and phone number. There are also a few methods of achieving that. So let's get started right away. First of all, let's go ahead and open up Twitter app over here. The very first thing to remember is that when you are trying to log into your Twitter account, and trying to reset your password, you don't always need your email or phone number, and whenever you don't really have access to that same mobile number that you have used when creating your account, you could simply use your email to go over and verify that it is actually you trying to log in, and vice versa. Whenever you don't have access to that same email, you could also use your mobile number to try logging in. Another suggestion would be to go to Yahoo or Gmail, whatever is connected to your account, and reset those passwords so that you can always gain access to your Yahoo or Gmail after resetting them. So whenever you go to Twitter and you forget your password and you have access to your email, you can get the verification code from there. Now let's imagine you have done that too, and that you also don't have access to your email, and that you don't even have access to that mobile number linked to your account. That are same steps to what you can do next. We are going to be exiting out of Twitter right now, and to go to Google Chrome or whatever browser you are using, and search for twitter.com. And then it will load up with just this site. I am using the smartphone, so this is how it shows up. Then we will scroll down all the way to the bottom and select help, and then choose contact us. Then scroll down a little bit and select the second option, problem with account access, and Twitter will open the screen, and select I need to regain access to my Twitter account. And then it tell us more, select I forget my password, and then select how did you sign up for this account. You can choose whichever one was linked to your account. And then scroll down. You simply have to fill out this short form. You are going to contact Twitter directly with this, and now you are going to type in your Twitter username. If you don't remember it, then simply ask of your friends to look you up on Twitter, and then type in a new email address that you should have access to right now, and then simply describe the situation over here. Over here you are going to go into as much detail as you can, including the old email address that you had linked, the old mobile number, the reason why you could not access that, and then hit submit. That's it. It's easy as that. Twitter will fix your issue in time. So this was the process by which you can recover Twitter account without email and phone number. If you find this video